Hazrat Amr bin Dinar narrates that he heard Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu say, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched 300 riders and appointed Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah as our commander. We were sent to ambush the Quraysh caravan. We stayed for half a month at the coast, and there we were overtaken by severe hunger, and we even lived on the leaves. That's why our contingent was styled an army of leaves. The sea washes up a fish called amber for us, so we kept on eating of that for half a month and rubbing its fat on our bodies until our bodies regained their original state. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah took one of its ribs, erected it, and made the tallest of the men stand beside it. Once Sufyan said he got its rib erected and let a man mounting a camel pass through it. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, one of us slaughtered 3 camels for the army, again slaughtered 3 camels, and again slaughtered 3 camels. Then Hazrat Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu prevented him from doing so. Qais bin Saad said to his father, Hazrat Saad bin Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu, I was also present in that troop, so the people were struck by hunger. He, Hazrat Saad, said, you should have slaughtered a camel. He, Hazrat Qais, said, I slaughtered a camel. He said, again the people were overcome by hunger. Hazrat Saad said, you should have slaughtered a camel. He said, I slaughtered a camel. He said, again the people were struck by hunger. Hazrat Saad said, you should have slaughtered a camel. He said, I slaughtered a camel. He said, the people again felt hungry. Hazrat Saad said, you should have slaughtered a camel. He said, I was prohibited to do so. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4361.